lot of times we are always talking about science experiments that are pretty messy. Well, today we're gonna paint, but we're not gonna paint with color. Bless you. We're gonna be painting with water, and we're gonna teach evaporation. This is something you can do with children really young. We've got 2 toddlers right here. Winley Ray is 2, and T. Copeland is 3. So you can have youngsters doing this too. So y'all ready to paint with water? Yeah. Okay. So first off, we're gonna need just some paint brushes. The kind, doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna give them some water. There you go. Hey, I want you to paint me something now. Good job. So did you notice you just put a bunch of water down? But now stop painting for a second, T. Copeland. What's going on right here? It's beginning to, it is a strawberry, it's a beautiful strawberry. It's beginning to evaporate. So today is incredibly clear. Dew points are low. So once you start painting with the water, you can teach the little ones in a fun and entertaining way how dry the air is. So now his strawberry is beginning to evaporate up in a very quick manner. Now say it was overcast and we started to paint, the strawberry would last a little bit longer. So this is one of those activities you can do throughout the week, especially when you're gonna have different weather systems moving in. So one day it's gonna be gray outside. You can paint the strawberry, time it. How many seconds did it take to evaporate? On a real muggy day, it's gonna take quite a bit, and that kind of really helps with the evaporation, the water cycle purpose. Now, T. Copeland, I have a question for you. Are there any clouds in the sky?
No.
No clouds? So since there's no clouds, that means the moisture in the air is really low, so a low dew point. And that means things evaporate really fast. So super easy, super simple, but you're starting the conversation. You're having these chats with your young children, with your grandchildren, because the more words they know, the more they're gonna understand.
Peacock.
You drew a peacock? That's pretty impressive. Thanks for asking. If you've got a question or you want another activity, let us know. Email nickyd.ray@newschannel5.com.